Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about the new water container from Midnight Forest. It's a 8-gallon water container. You can find on their website a 2, 4 and 8-gallon water container. We are gonna talk about some features about this new water container and compare between the one I have before. I feel more comfortable with this one because how the mount it is so, it's hard. The brackets that how you can mount the water container on the bed rack, and this one because it's a flat surface, you can mount it inside the bed of your truck. They can be in the side of the bed rack, under the bed rack, on the roof rack, because it is a flat surface. It is easily to find the best location for your rig. Depend how you have all your setup, you can just easily play with those brackets and whatever you are gonna install it. They have 4 screws to install the mounts, and also the mounts they come with a key. That way you can lock and unlock to dismount the water container anytime you want. Another feature that I like from this one, it is because the one I have before, they have some brackets that when they go under the bed rack, you are gonna lose all this space because how it is the container. Sometimes it's hard to how you're gonna fit that one on your bed rack. With this one, because it's a flat surface, it's easily to just set up whatever you want it. Another feature that I like from this one, they have a different water point source. So you can do it here, just open this cap here and just fill it. If you have like a, sometimes when we are out on the some campgrounds or out there on the road, probably you cannot find a garden hose to fill your water container. You can just pull the water here directly for one of these caps. They have here a quick connector for a garden hose, okay, easily that you can put water inside, but also you can move this quick connector from another area here on this corner. That way you can have 2 different locations. You also have on the middle, you're gonna have the rain collector. This one is a cap that you can just open and put the water container in the ground, or it is on your roof rack. You can just open this one, and how the plastic design it is, the water flow, they're gonna come all the way to the middle here, and they're gonna start to fill the container. That is one of the a worst case scenario option. But in this one here, you have 2 caps to fill the water container. That way you can use it is in a flat surface or it is vertical like how I have mine. You have 2 water points that you can fill with water, and this water these caps have like a seal here. That way the airflow, they can go in and out, and you're not gonna have any issue with the plastic bending when you start to using the water. We also have an aftermarket shower system. We have this one because we have 2 different water containers that you can notice here on my truck. That one we use for cooking and everything, and we use this one for take the shower and cleaning. It is a pain how it's just set up. We personally like this one because the plastic is pretty strong. This one also comes with a battery pressure washing that we are gonna do another video with that one, show the details and everything, how we use that one when we do grilling and everything.